but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my stand and go out of this world and ride on.
Hi guys, good morning. It's me Jael once again and welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so before anything else, please do like, comment down below, and please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, sa mga friends ko dyan, ano lang po kayo, be patient lang po since I'm on vacation, so medyo busy ako. So, hindi ako nakakapanood ng mga video nyo guys, but I'll make sure kapag nagkaroon ako ng time, I'm gonna visit all your channels, all your videos. I'm gonna watch all your videos guys. So, just keep in touch guys, and thank you again for watching. Hi guys! Para guys pala sa mga concern kung magkano yung pinapasweldo ko sa mga worker, ito yung vlog para sa inyo guys. So, for this week guys, this is week 6 ng pagpapatrabaho ko. This week guys, by the way, since may typhoon na nagdaan, typhoon liwayway, so Monday and Tuesday, di sila nag-work because of typhoon, umuulan maghapon, so di mo na ako nagpatrabaho. And normally, yung worker nag-work from Monday to Saturday. So, this week, ano lang silang days nakapag-work for 4 days because minus 2 days is 4 days. So, for this week, 4 days lang yung papasweldo ko. So, hindi pare-parehas yung worker ko for this week. Merong, yung regular na nag-work sa akin, kasama yung foreman, 4 days sila nag-work. So, rest take nila. Tapos, after that, merong pinasok na nung Thursday and Friday, napasok ng another 2 additional workers. So, naging 8 sila instead of 6 workers. So, inabot ng tinotal ko yung amount na papasweldo ko sa kanila for this week. Inabot siya ng 13,050. So, meron akong isang foreman, which is ang sweldo niya is 700. And then, yung skilled ko, meron akong isang skilled na regular, which is 600 for the skilled. And then, laborer, meron akong labor na actually 4 laborer, which is ang sweldo na is 400. And then, may araw na nagdagdag, so nagdagdagan yung papasweldo ko sa 2 araw. So, ayun guys, ewan ko lang sa inyo guys, alam ko sa ibang lugar, mas mababa yung sweldo. Meron akong napanood na vlog na ang pasweldo lang is 350, and then for the laborer, and then for the skilled, ang pasweldo lang daw nila is 450. I'm not sure kung totoo yung ganung pampasweldo. Kasi dito, here in Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija, ang sweldo ng tao, especially here in Cabanatuan, ang worker is 400 and 600 skilled. Pero kasama na yung sa kanila yung pagkain doon guys. Merong nagbibigay ng 350 pero sila pa yung magpapakain doon sa worker. So, since ayoko na magpakain, so tinasan ko na lang yung sweldo ng 400 instead of 350. So, 50 pesos ang naman ng difference. And then, di na ako maabalang mag-prepare pa ng ng food nila. And so, ang pinaprovide ko lang for them is just cold water. Nag-prepare ako ng jar. Then, lalagyan ko siya every morning ng water and then ice. Siguro sa ice, nakaka 30 pesos ako para dun sa pag-refill ng ice kasi especially if masyadong mainit. Yeah, so nakaka 30 pesos ang budget ko for the ice. Bibili ko ng bloke-bloke na 20 pesos and then after that, in the afternoon, I have to refill again the ice. So, yeah, more or less, nasa 30 pesos siya yung for the ice. And then guys, alright guys, so para naman dun guys sa mga nagtatanong, paano kung state na 6 days nag-work yung workers? How much yung inaabot ng sweldo? Eto guys, meron ako ditong mga days na kumpleto sila, pumasok sila from Monday to Saturday. So, ang inaabot ng sweldo is, ng pampasweldo ko is para dun sa tingnan natin kung ilan yung yung like last week. Like last week, week 5, ilan yung ko dito? Meron akong ayun, kasi hindi pare-parehas meron ako napasok na meron days na 3 yung skilled ko last week. And then, ang laborer ko is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 ang laborer ko. So, 12 din sila. So, inabot ng, yung pampasweldo ko, inabot ng 17,450. Hindi pa masyadong kompleto yan ha. Minsan, dalawa lang yung may days na, dalawa lang yung skilled, and then, 5 yung labor. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 yung labor. Plus, meron pang minsan na araw na naging 6 pa yung laborer ko, and then, 3 yung skilled. So, since may araw na hindi ko pinapasok yung ibang skilled, tsaka ibang labor, nagbawas ako. So, umabot last week yung pasweldo ko ng 17,450. And then, yung mga previous week, yung week 4 natin, mas malaki yung inabot ng sweldo nila. Naging 17,850 kasi mas maraming pumasok dito sa araw na to, sa days na to. And ilan yung ko dito? 2, 4, 4, 5. 5 yung ko, 5 yung labor ko. So, naging 17,850. And then, yun guys. 850. So, dalawa yung 17,850 ko dito. Ayun, so, yun lang guys yung idea. Yun lang yung may bibigay ko sa inyo yung idea para dun sa pagkapasweldo ng mga worker, labor, and skilled workers sa construction. Kung just in case meron kayong plan na magpagawa ng bahay or ng dream apartment nyo guys. Okay? So, that's all for today's vlog guys. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys. See you on my next one. Love you all.
Driving away like I'm supposed to do. Showing no emotions, but I know you. The way together.